connection issues for Wi-Fi devices. Sometimes when trying to log in with your TomTom account, you might see one of these messages. If you get this error message the first time you're using your new device, you can resolve this with a reset. Open the main menu, select Settings, System, and then Reset Device. You should now be able to set up and start using your device as normal. If you get the error message while you are trying to update your device or log into MyDrive, you need to check that your device has a proper connection. To update the maps, speed cameras, or the software on your device, you need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. Open the main menu, select Settings, then Wi-Fi. Enter the login information for the Wi-Fi network and select Connect. If your information is saved from a previous attempt and the password field shows unchanged, make sure you retype it into all the fields. You can also use your computer's internet connection if you're not able to connect to a Wi-Fi network at that moment. Connect your device via USB to a computer that has MyDrive Connect installed. When your device is recognised, MyDrive Connect will show the message, "Connect your Go the easy way," and you can start the updates through the menu on your device. Finally, if you want to sync places or routes from MyDrive to your device, you need to be connected by either Wi-Fi, a built-in SIM card for your device, or through a paired smartphone, depending on your device. You can see the status of your connection by going to Menu, select the question mark, and About. Scroll down to see your connection status and if you might need to try a different connection.